Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix Google keep closing itself on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Okay, to fix the issue of Google continuously stopping on your Samsung phone, you can follow these steps. For the first thing you have to do is open Please Settings application on your device. Okay, and then please scroll down and then find the apps option. Tap on it. Next, look for Google application in the app list. And then tap on it. So, in the app settings, you will find options like Force Stop and Storage. So, you can tap on Force Stop to stop the application completely. Okay, after that, tap on Storage. Next, you can click Clear Cache here. Well, after that, you can restart your phone and try opening the Google application. And if the issues persist, you can try uninstalling updates for the Google application or even reinstalling it from the Play Store. This step should have resolved the issue of Google continuously stopping on your Samsung phone. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix Google keep closing itself on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.